Good morning. Today's video is on how to do a brake bulb on a Kia Ceed, and this one's pretty simple, so it'll be quite short. You have two star heads, and you can literally take out the two star heads. Try not to lose them. And always on a rear brake light. It'll be mounted on somewhere else also, so just get a few wee wiggles back and forth, and you can see it comes out pretty simple. You can see we have two dollars here where it'll go into, and then over here, I don't know if you can see that, that'll slide onto a wee grommet over there. Okay, that's pretty simple. Take the bulb out of the light, push down, twist to the left, turn it around. This one is double pin, so that'll be a stop light and a side light all in one bulb. There's different types of them, so make sure you replace that with the right one. Some are offset, and what I mean by offset is the pins here and here can be slightly more offset, but this one isn't. Put the bulb in reverse order. Make sure that it's lined up on its wee slats, and there's a nice tight, it tightens up nicely. So make sure everything's lined up and back in again. Put your two screws in, test your lights, and that's it. Thanks for watching.